Welcome to Out of the Box EA. In our last video, we created our first API proxy, but there is a problem. Anyone can access it. Today, we are adding security with API key authentication to control who can use our API. Let's get started. Once we log into our SAP integration suite, click on the configure. Under configure tab, click on APIs. In APIs, under API proxy, look for post API, which we have created in our last video. In our post API, on the right hand side, click on the edit button, click on policies. In the left hand side, we can see proxy endpoint, here where we are entering our APIs, and target endpoint, it is our backend. Expand proxy endpoint, click on preflow. In the right hand side, we can see a number of policies. Under security policies, look for verify API key. Click on plus button. A pop-up window will appear. Here we need to enter policy name. So I will choose first API key. Click on add. Below we can see XML editor. Here we can see API key reference variable containing API key. Here we need to change it to header request.header.first API key. Request.header.first API key. Okay. Then click on update. Save. Click to deploy. Yes. We can see API deployed successfully. Now we need to create API product. Now click on engage tab. Here we can see products and subscriptions. Click on products. Under products we don't have anything yet, so we need to create. So click on create. Under overview tab, we need to enter name without any space. Post API product. Title post API product. Click on APIs tab. Click on add. Here we need to choose post API, which we have created in our last video. Click on the checkbox. Click on OK. And on the extreme right top, we can see publish. Click on the publish. Now we can see the product has been created. Now go to the Postman and we can test. Postman. Here we need to select get method and we need to enter the URL and save and click on send. Here we received an error. Failed to resolve API key variable request dot header dot first API key. Here we don't have any our API key, so we need to create the API key. So we need to go into the integration suite. Here in this grid we can see number of options. We have developer hub. Click on the developer hub. Once we log in into the developer hub, we have developer hub tab, my workspace, test environment, graph and admin center. So we need to click on the my workplace. Okay. Now here we don't have any applications yet, so we need to create. Click on create button. In engage, we created the product, right? So it will display here. So click on the checkbox. Next, here we need to enter the name. So I'll enter test app. Okay. Next, save. In the left hand side, we can see key and secret. So copy the key, go to the postman. In the drop down, select headers. Here in the key value, enter first API key and value, enter the key which you have copied from the developer hub. Okay. Save, send. Now we can see the request authenticated API key successfully and message has been processed. In our next video, we will add rate limiting to prevent API abuse and protect your backend from begin to attack any other APIs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section.